1. Introduction and Admin Login, 000 to 012. Welcome to the Property Management System, your unified platform to control, monitor, and manage your real estate assets. Let's sign in. First, we will log in using the Admin Access level. The Admin Dashboard gives you an instant overview of your entire portfolio, showing your total active assets, tenant base, monthly cash flow, and pending arrears at a glance. 2. Managing Properties and Tenants, 012 to 026. Navigate to the Properties tab to see your complete real estate portfolio. You can filter properties by type or easily add a new asset using the Add Property form. Under the Tenants tab, you get a clean record of all registered residents, their contact details, occupied units, and their move-in status. 3. Leases, Invoices, and Financials, 026 to 034. The Leases section lets you manage active contracts, view monthly rent details, and check security deposits. In the Invoices tab, tracking financials is easier than ever. You can view total billed revenue, collected payments, overdue invoices, and instantly generate new billing statements. 4. Maintenance, Expenses, and Document Vault, 034 to 054. The Maintenance Board allows you to log new issues, coordinate repairs, and track tasks from pending to resolved. Track your operating expenses effortlessly with a transparent summary of maintenance and utility costs across the portfolio. Keep all critical paperwork secure in the Document Vault, where lease agreements, financial records, and legal files are neatly organized. 5. Configuration Suite, Admin Control, 054 to 115. Through the Role Management Control Center, admins can easily customize user privileges and configure cloud integrations like Twilio SMS and SMTP email servers. Now, let's log out of the admin console and look at the manager's perspective. 6. Manager Access View, 115 End. Logging in